Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Daxon here with Noxad.org. I just want to make this little video. I had a friend ask me, and I've actually had a few other people ask me, what exactly is Bitcoin? How does it work? How do I use it? How do I buy it? How do I sell it? How do I send it? Just exactly what is it? So basically it is a cryptocurrency, which is, it's a coin is worth X amount of dollars based on a market, basically. So far as if you want to trade it, you can do that. You would probably want like a better trading platform, so far as like if you're going to do binary options or something. Now if you're in it for a little bit longer term run, like I do, I mostly use it actually for a payment processor, just because the money that I get sent from people, or rev shares or anything I do online, you know, I get the money sent to me. You get it within a couple hours, and then I can send it to my bank, which, you know, I can sell the coins instantly, and it'll go to my bank anywhere between, you know, a day and 4 days, depending if you're close to a weekend or not. So say if it was a Monday, most likely I would get it on the Tuesday or Wednesday following that. But basically, like right now, you can see what one Bitcoin is worth, $1,248. You can also go to Google and you can type BTC price, and there you see $1,261.50. That's how much one Bitcoin is worth. So say if someone wanted to send you $600, you know, it would be a half of a Bitcoin. The cool thing is you don't really have to know how much a Bitcoin is worth if you're just going to use it as a payment processor, for example, because when you send it to someone, if they send it to you, or if you just want to sell it or buy it, you can also type in the dollar amount, okay? So, like for example, we can go over here to buy and sell. You have your buy, you have your sell. So say if I wanted to buy some Bitcoin at $1,256.19 would be the current rate right now. Okay, so then I would type in, you can type in, say if I just wanted 0.1 Bitcoin, you know, you can do it like that. Or you could type in, say, $200, and you could do it like that as well. Now, what I'd want to buy it from, your bank can take quite a while. Your limits are a lot higher for how much you can buy when you use a bank account. So say if let's just type in $100, that is 0.079558871 of a coin. So it's not even a tenth of a Bitcoin, because Bitcoin prices right now. And there's a little fee, so I'll pay an extra $1.49. Now, if you want to get the coin instantly, if you get verified with a credit card or a debit card, the fees are a little bit more, but you'll get it instantly. The weekly limit that you can buy is lower, about half lower or more. It'll start off your limit lower, and then the more transactions and the more buys and sells and things like that you do, they'll kind of let you increase your limit so you can have a bigger limit to buy more coins, so far as a weekly or monthly limit. So that's how you would be able to buy coins, okay? Now the coin processor for Bitcoin that I like the most is coinbase.com. I live here in the United States, so it's very good. I think they're actually located in the United States. I'm not 100% sure, but their support's overall pretty good. But yeah, we go back to our dashboard. You can see how much coin it is, and right now my balance is $11.96. Lately, I've been needing the money because I'm in the process of buying a new home. So any money I get, I've just been sending to my bank instead of saving it up. You can see I have $3.88 in my Bitcoin, and then Ether, whatever you want to call it. It's a newer cryptocurrency and it's not as big, so I have almost a half of one, and it's $7.76. I bought it about a year ago. Today is March 10th, 2017. It was actually probably summertime of 2016 I bought it. I'm just in that for the long term to see how much I can, you know, make off that, say in 3 years, if it's worth, if it got up to say $1,000 and I paid like $6 for this, you know, that'd be almost $1,000 gain, really. But anyway, that's it so far, really, as Bitcoin. I mean, it's just like gold or silver or anything else, but it's like all online, basically, so far as what it's worth. Now, You also have a price chart built in here, and you can look at all time. Like, say the people that bought Bitcoin back in, you can see the date there, January, the date will show right here, January 23rd, 2013, excuse me, a Bitcoin was worth $17.63. So think of the people that bought it then in 2013 and simply just saved it in their account till not even a year later, November 29, 2013, a coin was worth $1,108. So they could have sold it just like that. Take how much money those people made. I wish I was one of those people, but I didn't even know about Bitcoin back then. I was only out of high school about a year and a half or two at that time. But you can see this is the all-time price chart all the way from 2013, right when it started making, coming out and everything, and then till now. And I predict as of now that Bitcoin is going to go down. The reason I say that is with the price action. So right here it hit 1,068. So it's capped off right here. It's pretty close. That line's over this one. So I assume it's going to shoot back down, and it'll probably drop down to, $800 or something, which would be the time to buy it. And then it'll probably shoot back up to, $1,500, for example. That would be my guess. But yeah, you can use your debit card or credit card to buy it is what I recommend, because you can get it instantly into your account, okay? And then when you want to sell, I recommend using a bank account, just because it seems easier, and I want the money in my bank account. I don't want it sent back to my credit card. That's not going to do me. I can't really use that money besides accruing interest on a credit card, so I definitely don't want to do that. But yeah, when you sign up for Coinbase, it's pretty simple. Type in your name, your email. They want to verify your street address. Also, you'll want to upload your ID to be verified, so you can do, bigger. I don't think you can do very big transactions if you're not. And I think they're getting to where you need to be verified no matter what. And then one other thing, I think you need to verify your street address, like with a bill or something. That maybe was something else, but I'm pretty sure it was on here. And then when you want to send Bitcoin, everyone has a Bitcoin address. So you'll get your friends or business or whatever, like my electric company that services my current house, they now accept Bitcoin. So I'll get their Bitcoin address and paste it here, and then they'll tell me, whoever you're sending it to will tell you how much Bitcoin, or say you want to send your electric bill is, say, $200. You click the USD, because we don't want to go off BTC. Click USD, type a note, say like electric bill, and you would send it and then confirm it. Boom, that's it. They got the Bitcoin, and then they can do whatever they want with it. So that's how you would send and request. I went over how to buy and sell. And one other thing that's important is when you go to your accounts. Over here is where you can see I have my BTC wallet, my Ether wallet, my Bitcoin savings, in the vault. I don't use the vault. The savings is if you want to, say, not necessarily send the money to your bank. You want to leave it in your account, but it'll let you keep a dollar amount. So say if Bitcoin is worth $1,000 today, you can just stash the money into your Bitcoin saving as a dollar amount instead of worrying about, the Bitcoin price going up and down on you while you're just saving back some money. This is obviously for your Ether, which they added recently in your Bitcoin, your main Bitcoin wallet. So if you want someone to send you Bitcoin, all you would do is click Get Bitcoin Address, and they can scan that, okay, to get your coin address. But all you would do is copy them this full address, and it's very, 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 very important that that person gets this entire address. If one thing is wrong, don't even try to type it out. If one of these things is wrong, you're not going to get it. Same way with them. If they have one letter wrong, they're not going to get it. So it is a little tedious so far as that, and someone else may end up getting it. So you definitely do not want that to happen. And then you have your tools and settings. So far as Bitcoin, that's how it works. That's kind of about what it is. Please leave your questions in the comments. If you have any questions for me, I'll be more than happy to help you out. Also, check all the other videos out I have on my channel. Everything with technology, animals, 3D printing, all types of cool stuff that I do. Also, check out my website, www.noxad.org, where everything is free. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.